Welcome to PatientVR Pro, powered by Mobiddiction. Let's get you started. First, power on your VR headset. Once your headset is on, it's time to pair your device. Using your computer, tablet, or mobile phone, go to app.patientvr.com. Register for a new account or sign in to your existing account. After signing in, proceed to pair your device. Click on Repair Headset. Enter the pairing code shown on your headset screen into the dialog box to relink your device. Wait a couple of seconds while the system checks for updates. Once you see the Mobiddiction screen appear, that means your pairing has been successfully completed. Inside the PatientVR Pro menu, you'll find pre-downloaded applications including images, travel, relaxation, entertainment, scenes, and interacts. How to navigate. To select an image or application, simply bring your index finger and thumb together to create a pinch gesture. Hold the pinch and scroll to browse through options. If you look away and the main menu disappears, don't worry. Just hold your thumb and index finger pinched in front of your eyes, and the menu will automatically reappear. For first-time users, the applications are already pre-installed. Just wait a few seconds for the application to fully load before starting. Once everything is ready, you can begin exploring the virtual world with ease. If you'd like to return to the main menu at any time, simply give a thumbs up gesture. You will automatically exit the current app and be redirected to the main menu, where you can choose another experience to explore. PatientVR Pro. Less stress, more comfort, better experiences.